Hey guys, been wanting one of these for a while. Hold your controller. Looks pretty cool. There's a bunch of different ones. I guess someone else was saying there's a Stitch one, but I want to Crash Bandicoot. I think my girlfriend wants the same thing. I only have an Xbox controller, and I guess I have a phone, but we'll try it out on that. Came from Amazon for like 20 bucks. Link will be in the description. Oh, come on. It's like glued in there. Oh, he just comes out the bottom, no problem. Okay, that's cool. Pretty heavy. His arms look like they move. They got little cuts right there. He's not solid plastic. He's kind of like a rubber plastic. It said something on the bottom. Some Chinese company. Oh yeah, that looks cool.